How to fix Voicemeeter not working. So let's say you're using a microphone. Up here you're gonna see stereo input 1. Just click on it and make sure you select your microphone. If you hear yourself talking, just deselect this button right here. Now if you can't hear anything from Voicemeeter, what you need to do is make sure that Windows is going through the Voicemeeter. So to explain it better, just right click on the speakers here, go open sound settings. And then as you can see, I have my speakers directly receiving the signal. If you want your speakers to receive the signal through Voicemeeter, what you need to do is select Voicemeeter input. And then click here. And then select your speakers. Mine is already selected here. So here, as you can see, as you can hear, oh actually I need to set desktop audio. You can hear the song, you can hear the music or whatever going through the Voicemeeter and into my speakers. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.